Hi, I'm Nirit from Malkishu Art Studio, and today we are going to learn how to embroider those beautiful flowers, French knots, and leaves. Let's get started. I will use a coin in order to set the flower border and put 5 pins evenly around it. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I will push down the pins as you can see here, and we'll put the coin aside. Take something like 80 centimeter long thread and fold it to half. You will see it in a minute. And I will insert its 2 open edges into a needle. So at the other side of the thread, I will have a kind of a loop, as you will see in a minute. Here, this is the loop. Now I'm going to insert the needle to the center of the circle I just created with the pins and pull it through the loop. Insert the needle and pull it. Now I'm going to draw 5 lines from the center to each pin. This will be the first line. Now I'm going to move to the next pin and create the second line. And go back to the middle of the circle and to the third pin. And again to the middle of the circle and to the fourth pin. Again to the middle of the circle and to the fifth pin, the last one. And again to the circle, to the middle of the circle. So I will have eventually 5 lines. And you can see that I'm going right near the middle of the circle. And now I'm going to embroider around those 5 lines in a certain order. Go over the first line and under the next one. Over the third line and under the fourth one. And so on till I will fill the round area and create the flower. Take 80 cm long thread and fold it to half. And again, I'm going to insert its two open edges into a needle. So at the other end, I will have a kind of a loop, this loop. I will insert the needle in the center of the flower I just created and pull it through the loop. Here is the loop. And now I'm going to roll the threads twice around the needle and insert it to a nearby spot while I'm holding the threads close to the knot, so there will be tension there. Pull it gently. Go to a nearby spot and repeat the same process. Roll the threads twice around the needle and insert it to a nearby spot. Keep the tension here and pull it gently. The flower is ready. Take 80 cm long thread and fold it to half. And again, insert its two open edges into a needle, so at the other end we are going to have this loop. Insert the needle to a certain place and go from a nearby spot. And now I'm going to insert the needle into the loop. Now I'm going to create a 5 lines leaf. This will be the first line. This is the second. This is the third line. This is the fourth. And this is the fifth. Now I'm going to go under one of the lines and wrap the thread around it. I'm going to do it till it will be fully covered. It is important to do it in a certain order so the threads will not overlap. When the line is fully covered, insert the needle to its end here and repeat the same process for all the other 4 lines. Go under the line and wrap the threads around it. And again, make sure that you're doing this in a certain order so the thread will not overlap. And again, when it is fully covered, I can insert the needle to the end of the line. Our leaf is ready. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines leaf.